using launching an SSL strip attack. An SSL is launching using the following steps. So first, the cow arm image doesn't come with the installer SSL strip. So first, before we could do anything, we must download the apt-get install SS strip command. Download the utility. First, download the utility by doing apt-get install instead of Wireshark. Replace that with SSL strip. And it's installing it, and it's connected to the internet, so I can click yes, and it start to fetch it, and it's gonna be inside my Raspberry Pi. I'm not gonna erase my SD card. I'm gonna use this for chapter 6 during the summer or during my free time. Chapter 6 during my free time of using the same textbook for other projects. Sorry, I will let it wait and see it done instead of stopping it. Because installation is important, because installation is the one that is going to be the tool that Raspberry Pi be able to use. Yes, and Wireshark is another tool that's already come with it, so I don't need to install. Okay, it's done installing. So next, after it's done installing, then I go to step 2. The first thing we need to do once installed is to launch an ARP Spark. This was covered earlier in the chapter, so we will quickly cover ARP Sparking process. To summarize the step 2, the following: and enable the following using the Echo 1 processor. Echo 1 greater than processor, go to processor IP forward default. I think I have this already. I'm just looking it up.
So, the Fizzy Bay monster's just a band of rotten pirates. Wait, sea monster? Now there's an idea.
And so, Uncle Willie gathered up all the beach grass and seaweed he could find and wove it into...
Oh, Echo, I see that I have this command already. Echo 1, grab that and put a space between this. PROC system net IP forward done, and then identify identify the default gateway and submask of the default. So net stat dist dash and all. Give me this result. And then using the nmap, interpret the target network using nmap dash rsn. Oops. Networks dash sub or subset, close it, and subnet mask.
Now, what was it you mates were saying about playing with land
No,
That'd be no sea monster.
no warning. No target was substituted. So zero host scanning nmap done. Zero IP address. Zero host around 1.3. Okay. And now start ARS ARP ARP PS PO F dash I Ethernet O dash T
I know those details. Willie, what are you doing in that getup?
target
Constable Murphy, I present you with the monster of Busy Bay. And
target
the pirates of
IP
robbing our ships.
Why, Willie, you're so brave.
dash O
Well,
default
another lunch.
gate.
Speaking of lunch,
Excuse me. Gate. Way. Please tell me the version, interface, and do the target host and okay. This will show the target traffic of ARP. Catch the person leaving this window open. Once this running, start seeing the server traffic as showing the following screenshot. It's supposed to show something like this, but I don't have the host on it, so I'll skip that step. Once the ARP cache portion is set up, open a new terminal window to set up a part redirecting using IPT table. So I open a new terminal and use this command again. Use this command by typing it. That's like doing new terminal, so I'm just doing that right now. IP tables dash T NAT dash A and then cap lock pre routing pre-routing dash P TCP transfer for car transfer dash destination dash port 80 dash J capital lock to the redirect dash to dash port 8080 and then enter. It's done. The command will work. Then the select redirection that must be used the setting listener port for SSL stripping the following screen. After you set the selecting redirect station, also use B as a listener port for the SSL strip. The following screenshot show the launch of the parsing command. It's blank, but it shows that it is working. Oops. I hate this. To disable the pre-routing rule in the command, replace -A with a D to clear all the table rule used. So to flush, use the command in table -T NAT F. By using the same command prompt, I have that. So I table -T -T NAT, right? iptable-t.net, capital F, enter, and to verify the command of iptable will be same thing, change F to L to confirm. Target port out destination input target output target yeah, that's the result. And then it was yeah, that's all configured. You can use this main table convert additional. But launcher SSR for this example will use the TCP 8080 as the listening port, so the communication will use SS strip -180 are showing for it will be similar to this screenshot, even though I don't have no targeting codes. But the command, I'm just checking if the command is working, and some command work, some command don't work.
I want you to find that famous noodle restaurant and get a picture of the great noodle chef Sato.
Dash L 8080
Did you see that cucumber? Flying noodle.
and wait. I could technically SS.9 moving around running, so I could it's running, and then I could to see the result of your attack, open another terminal window, type. So I use the other terminal, and then type in and using the command. To you see the result, open another terminal window and type this command: tel-n50-fss strip log. tel-n50-fss strip log. And it's loading, and then to test its rate is loading, and then to test this attack, open a web browser on a victim system and access a system require access using SS script Facebook such as online. Go back to the terminal window showing the SS strip log file, and you should see the username pass clear text as a highlight as a following screenshot. This data packet will be text file and not retrieved later on. So it gives me this similar to this result, password rule, blah 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 blah. This result, and try to basically what I'll go in sometime. What should I do? Oh yeah. Yeah, so it's supposed to show me a plain text, but I think it will not work.
No clues here. Well, I might as well start cleaning up this mess.
I opened too much terminal. I need at least two.
No, not the design. It's a message.
It's still working, and it's showing that, but I could technically stop this one. And also, I get rid of it. It's technically supposed to. The command work is depend on what I want to use to log in and let the user that I record to show that what I am doing, and I did not want to because I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube in public to show it later, but not now. Oh, so it's XTUM. terminal, and then this is my last step. The attack is limited to the LAN network. So the summary will be the end of chapter 4.